Good morning, students. Here Neela ma'am from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you about here life in the deserts. I have taken geography chapter number 10, life in the deserts. Today our topic is introduction part about deserts and how many types of deserts are found. Today we will learn about that. So first of all, desert. Deserts. These are the places where there is no water to drink, where there is no grass for their cattle to feed on, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. So there is no water to drink. There is no sufficient water to drink, and you already know there are animals, many animals here found, but you know the camel is a sheep of the desert and it can survive for many days without water. But once a camel consumes water or drinks water, it can drink many liters of water. Okay, you can see video on how this camel drinks water. And no grass for the cattle to feed. There is no vegetation. Also, no water to help the crops to grow. There are no much irrigation facilities also. So these deserts can be here characterized by low rainfall, where there is low rainfall, scanty vegetation, means jo trees are very less, and extreme temperatures. Extreme temperature is here. Days are very hot and nights are very cool. So in this way we can say that deserts are those places where there is very low rainfall, less vegetation and extreme temperature. So deserts can be characterized in two categories: hot deserts and cold deserts. Okay, so hot deserts, in this we will include here Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert on the world. When you look at the world map here, so this is Africa, South Africa here. This is South Africa, and this portion, this is Sahara Desert in the South Africa. This portion, this is Sahara Desert in South Africa. You can also locate Sahara Desert on the world map. So we will learn about Sahara Desert today here also. It's the world's largest desert and its area is how much? 8.54 million square kilometers. Million square kilometers. Million squares kilometers. And this Sahara Desert touches how many countries? 11 countries. And those countries are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Saharas. And these deserts have mushroom rocks. How mushroom rocks are formed? Here deserts, it doesn't mean that there is no water. There is water. There are oases. Oasis means waterly spot. Waterly spots are called oasis in the desert. The desert doesn't make it hasn't water. It has water. It has oasis, and oasis means waterly spot found in the deserts. And deserts are also having plateau type. Physical feature here. So, and these deserts have mushroom rocks. You know how these mushroom rocks are formed? There is a big rock, and due to sandy storms, when the sand touches the rock, and naturally there will be erosion, and this part is eroded of the rocks, and it takes that particular rock take the shape of this mushroom, and it includes sand, gravel, plains, and elevated plateaus also. And climate over there is scorching hot and parched dry. Short rainy season. Here, rainy season duration is very short. Temperature in the day can be 50 degrees Celsius, and freezing cold nights are there. And about flora and fauna, which type of flora means vegetation, and fauna means animals variety. So it includes, in flora, it includes cactus, date, palms, and acacia. Animals found here are camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, snakes, etc. People who live in deserts are called Bedouins and Tuaregs, and they rear livestock such as sheep, goats, and camels and horses. Settled population lives in the oasis of Sahara. Oasis means waterly spot found in the deserts, and the Nile Valley. Transformation of Algeria, Libya, and Egypt due to discovery of oil. When it was found that in that area oil is under the earth, then transformation of Algeria, Libya, and Egypt due to discovery of oil. Minerals which are found in the Sahara deserts are iron, phosphorus, manganese, and uranium. These minerals are found in the Sahara desert. So students, today you have learnt about deserts and about Sahara desert. Sahara deserts is the world's largest desert, and its area is about how much? 8.54 million square kilometer, and it touches 11 countries: Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, Western Sahara. And this Sahara desert includes sand, gravel, plains, and elevated plateaus. And climate over here is hot and scorching, hot, and parched, dry. And short duration of rainy season. Temperature in the day, it can be It can reach up to 50 degrees Celsius, and freezing cold nights are there. And flora and fauna about date, cactus, palms, acacia, and animals found here are camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, and snakes are also found here. And people who live there are Bedouins and Toragivas, and they live here. They earn their livelihood by rearing the livestock like goats, sheep, camels, and horses also. The settled population is found here in the oasis of Sahara and the Nile Valley. In the next video, we will learn about the cold desert, that is Ladakh. Ladakh, which is situated in the Jammu Kashmir, in the Great Himalayas in Jammu and Kashmir, enclosed by Karakoram range in the north and the Janskar mountains in the south. Indus flows through Ladakh. Altitude varies from 3000 meter to 8000 meters. Okay, about cold desert we will learn tomorrow. Until then, stay alert, stay healthy, and also mask yourself, take proper care. And you will also read this chapter from your book, chapter number 10, that is which one? Life in the deserts. Okay, try to read 1 or 2 pages of this chapter. Okay, and stay alert, stay healthy. Thank you. Mask yourself. Thank you.